Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. Let's get started with another knot. This is the lopsided wreath. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. We're going to come over, we're going to put in a dimple. We're going to bring this skinny end over to the center. We're going to come up and over like so. We're going to start the wreath. We're going to come up like that. We're going to do another wreath on the same side, just where we get the lopsidedness from. Bring it back over and do another wreath. I'm going to put it on top of these two that I just did. Fold it in half, bring it around again like this, still fold it in half, bring it around again, then do a wreath. Like so. Then we're going to do another wreath. And this time I'm going to bring it through this top loop here. And then I'm going to take it through this last loop here. And there you have the lopsided wreath. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. And check out Instagram at Simmonsessentials to see the picture for this, along with all the other pictures of all the knots I create or wear. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.